Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. The volume we have to find in centimeter cube of the largest right circular cone that can be cut off from a cube of edge 4.2 centimeter is what? So first of all, let's say this is our cube that has edge as 4.2 centimeter. So let's say this edge is 4.2 centimeter. It is given in the question. Now what we have to do is to cut the largest cone. So from the figure we can say if we have to cut the largest cone from the given cube, then what we can do is we should make the height of the largest cone as equal to the edge of cube. Then only that cone will be the largest circular cone. So edge of the cube is 4.2 centimeter. So we can say if height of a cone is 4.2 centimeter, and one more condition is important here, that the diameter of that cone or the largest cone that we have to inscribe from here will be or must be equal to the edge of cube, which is 4.2 centimeter. So we know that the radius is half of the diameter. So from here we can find out the radius as 4.2 divided by 2, which is equal to 2.1 centimeter. So we can say that if we have to inscribe the largest right circular cone from this cube, then that height of the cone must be 4.2 centimeter and the radius of the cone must be 2.1 centimeter. So now that we know the radius 2.1 centimeter and height 4.2 centimeter, let's find the volume of largest cone that can be cut from that cube. And we know that the volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now let us substitute the value of pi as 3.14 and the radius we have calculated 2.1 centimeter square and the height is 4.2 centimeter and the unit of this cone will be volume of the cone is centimeter cube. So if we simplify it, that is equal to 19.4 centimeter cube. So approximately 19.4 centimeter cube is our volume, which is option D. So we can say that the answer is option D.